Students, welcome back to my class. I am Swapnashil, state teacher, Makol Adarsh High School, Hatajari, Chattogram. Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. In our previous class, we learned about the Statue of Liberty from our EFT book. Today, we will learn about different topic. So, take your EFT book and necessary materials to enjoy the class. I am going to start my class. Get ready for the class. Now look at the picture. Now look at the picture. What do you know about them? Why are they well known? What do you know about them? This picture is about Prittilata Waddedar and it is Surya Sen. What do you know about them? They are anti-British activists. Why are they well known? They are well known for their anti-British activities. So our today's lesson is They Had Dreams 1, Unit 10, Lesson 3. After this lesson, we will learn so many things. What we will be able to learn? We will be able to learn about the life history of Prittilata Waddedar, about the anti-British movement, match the given column and answer the given question. Look at the picture. Who is she? We know about she. She is a Prittilata Waddedar, the anti-British activist. To understand the passage, first we have to know some vocabulary, some critical vocabulary. We have to learn it. Then we can easily understand the passage and learn about the passage. Our first word is graduate. What do you mean by graduate? Graduate means to achieve a university degree, and its Bengali meaning is snatak. What kind of participle it is? It is noun. And you can make sentence by this word. Mr. Rohim graduated from the Chittagong University. Okay. Our next vocabulary is activist. Activist, what kind of participle it is? It is also noun. Its meaning is a member of a certain social or political group. And make sentence is sentence making is Mrs. Sultana Kamal is a human rights activist. Discrimination. What is the pronunciation of it? Discrimination. What is the meaning of it? Different attitude to people, especially on the grounds of race, age or sex. What is the participle it is? Its participle is also noun. And we can make sentence by it. Women should not have any discrimination. They should have equal rights as men have. The Bengali meaning of discrimination is boishumya. Our next word is combat. Combat means fighting with arms or battles. What is the participle is? Its participle is verb. And we can make sentence by it. The soldiers are having combat training. Combat means juddho kora. Notorious. What is the pronunciation of it? Notorious. Its meaning is dishonorable. Bengali meaning is kukhato. And make sentences. The man is taking pride. It is a notorious deed. Aloud reading. Now we have read the passage aloudly. Prittilata was a meritorious student of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School. Which school she read? She read Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School and Eden College, Dhaka. She graduated in philosophy. Which subject? Philosophy. With distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. It is Bethune College where Pritilata graduated from. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. Pritilata became a head teacher of Nandankaran Aparnacharan School in Chattogram. She became head teacher. I also read in this school. It was my school, and also Pritilata became the head teacher of Nandankaran Aparnacharan School in Chattogram at that time. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist in Chattogram area at that time. In 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. Pahartoli European Club. It is the then Pahartoli European Club. Now we know about Pritilata Wadar and her activity. Now we match column from A with column B. Column A, column B. Column B, A, graduated, activist, movement, gender discrimination, colonial rule, combat, gradually, resistance, notorious, a sign. And in the column B, a member of certain social or political group, fight, took university degree, ruled by a powerful country over weaker country, battle, inequality between male and female, slowly give responsibilities, activities, dishonorable. Now match it. I will help you to match it. Now first you try. Okay? I think you can do it. Now match your answer with me. Graduated, took university degree, activist, a member of a certain social or political group, movement, fight, gender discrimination, inequality between male and female, colonial rule, ruled by a powerful country over a weaker country, combat, battle, gradually, slowly, resistance, activists, notorious, dishonorable, and assign, give responsibilities. Now match your answer with me. Okay? Now you read the passage silently to understand the passage, then answer the question. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to read. Okay? Who assigned Pritilata to attack the Pahartoli European Club? Who assigned? What was Pritilata's profession? What are Pritilata's dream? Now match the answer with me. I think you can do it easily. Now match your answer with me. Surya Sen assigned Pritilata to attack the Pahartoli European Club. Who assigned? Surya Sen. What was the Pritilata's profession? Pritilata's profession was teaching. What was the dream of Pritilata's? Pritilata's dreams of two things. One, a society without gender discrimination, and her motherland without British colonial rule. Okay? Now I'll give you homework. Take your homework. Write a summary about Pritilata Waddedar. Thank you, dear students. I think you have learned so many things about Pritilata Waddedar. And take your homework, and I think you can easily write a summary about Pritilata Waddedar. Take care yourself. We will meet with our next class. Thank you. Bye.